Hi, we have Mr. Ashwin here with us. Mr. Ashwin, please introduce yourself and the organization that you represent today.
Sure. Hi, this is Ashwin Belle. I am representing PreSense Health. I'm the CEO and co-founder of PreSense Health. And just a little bit of a background, I have been in the healthcare field for a very long time. Fortunate to be an engineer in the healthcare field for about 17 years, really trying to solve the problems from an engineer perspective that the clinicians typically find. I was an academic in my prior life, and this happens to be my second startup in the healthcare field.
That sounds wonderful. You're an honoree here at the Health 2.0 conference. All the hard work back in Houston, Texas is finally paying off. So what does it feel like? How does it feel to be recognized and seen?
It's a fantastic conference. It's bringing together, as I see this is my first time here, it's bringing together folks from a variety of different ways of life, walks of life. The kind of experience that people are bringing together is so varied from my own, and so it has been a fantastic learning experience for me. It looks like there's a tremendous entrepreneurial and let's go get it kind of a spirit that I see, and I've truly enjoyed it. And to be honored amongst them, it's definitely a privilege.
That sounds wonderful. We're glad you're enjoying. We're glad you think this is fruitful. Now tell us a little bit about what you do. Tell us a little bit about your team back home. Tell us how they add value to what you do.
Yeah, honestly, I'm lucky enough to be presented here with the award, but the honest truth is, it's the team that's done the hard work to allow me to do this. And
shout out to your team.
Absolutely, big shout out to my team.
Yes.
It's a team of highly experienced AI engineers, doctors, and folks who have been there, done that.
Yep.
So this is not a sort of a small startup. Even though we are small, the amount of experience we bring together is tremendous. It's nearly 40 to 50 years of combined experience of just technology in this space.
That's 4 or 5 decades.
Yes, and we have FDA, regulatory experiences, and all that kind of stuff coming together in a very meaningful way to solve clinical problems that the real world has.
That's wonderful. So tell us what this team actually does. What kind of tech does your company produce? How do they add value?
Yeah, so essentially the problem we're trying to solve is the problem of what the clinicians are finding to be it's getting worse for them every day, which is the amount of burden that they have to face, the amount of resource contention that they have to face. That's the problem that we're trying to solve. Especially COVID sort of revealed the flaws in the system, and those flaws have only gotten worse. And I think technology is always there to help solve such problems, and so we are lucky enough to be trying to solve this problem. For example, identifying patient deterioration, very hard task, especially if there's a lot of patients, few resource clinicians to help them out. So we help identify patient deterioration well before the bedside team does. Discharge summaries and all these mundane works that the clinicians are now spending more time doing in front of a computer as opposed to in front of a patient. We are solving that. At a click of a button, the entire thing is automated. You have the entire discharge summary produced, etc.
That sounds wonderful. So you're using AI as it's like taking over the world in such a good way, learning from what happened in COVID and actually putting it to amazing use. And you have professionals from 40, 50 years ago. People have been doing this for decades. So you definitely deserve this award. I'm sure there's somebody watching out there who can maybe look up to you, wants to be where you are, maybe starting out, a kid that's studying. What advice would you give to someone who wants to be where you are today?
Get your hands dirty. As soon as possible, start working on any project, start shadowing as many people as you can. Mentors are extremely important. I was fortunate to have some of the greatest mentors to help me get through where I am today. So I really think just being involved, not just thinking about being involved, but actually being involved, even in the smallest way. If you're expected to be a janitor in the hospital and that's the only way you can get into a hospital system, go for it. If there's another field you're interested in, just become the janitor in that field and start from the ground up.
That's such good advice. No job is too little. You always have to start from bottom. You always have to start from zero. That's such wonderful advice. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashwin. Tell us where people can reach you for more advice and collaborations. What platform, what social medias?
Sure. First and foremost, do visit our website. You can always access us from there, access me also from there, which is PreSense, PreSense.us. And beyond that, if you want to reach out to me personally, I'm not much of a social media guy, unfortunately, but LinkedIn is where I live. So amazing. You will definitely find me there, ASHWINBELLE, Ashwin Belle, and look forward to talking to you guys.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashwin Belle. Congratulations once again on winning your honorary award, and we wish many more such awards come your way. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.